Air North 823, turn right heading 150.
Return 150 for Air North 823.
Air North 823, actually, let's keep the turn going. Turn right heading 210 for the intercept at ILS approach, runway 24 left.
Keep the turn going 210 to intercept the 24 left ILS for Air North 823.
11835, good day.
Okay, 170 knots or greater to correct, and now over to tower 1835, I think we said for Air North 823. Tower Air North 823 is with you on the ILS 24 left.
Air North 823, Toronto Tower, wind 230 at 5, clear to land, runway 24 left.
Clear to land 24 left for Air North 823.
Earth 6, or 823, just confirm land 24 left, not 24 right. Earth 823, pull up and go around, pull up and go around.
823.
823, turn left heading 180 on time 3000.
Left heading 130 up to 3000 for North 823.
180 times 3000, Air North 823.
180 up to 3000 for North 823.
North 823 is going to confirm you were clear the ILS on 24 left, correct?
That's affirmative for North 823.
Okay, you're lined up for 24 right, next time around it'll be 24 left. Contact departure 1288.
28.8, thanks. For our departure, Air North 823 is with you 3000, heading 180.
Air North 823 departure, turn left heading 120, climb to 4000.
Left turn 120 up to 4000 for North 823.
Air North 823, roger, it'll be vectors runway 24 left, 24 left.
24 left for North 823.